NBC29 forecast.
Well, since last night, we've seen our share of some rain across the region. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera here on this Wednesday evening. Wet roads, and we're not done with the rain. We've had it come in little bouts, if you will, and that'll be the case here even as we venture into tonight and tomorrow. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. Some light rain falling at the airport where it's currently 71 degrees. We can go to the computer now. 71 degrees here at the airport. We've got numbers across the region that are generally in the low 70s. It's a little cooler than yesterday, but it's still humid. Dew points are well in the 60s. Currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 70 degrees. There may be a little thinning of the cloud cover, but overall mostly cloudy conditions, and certainly there's still rain out there. 70 in Palmyra. We've got 68 in Madison, 68 currently in Waynesboro, and 73 in Livingston. This is some of the rain over the last 24 hours, the Doppler radar estimates, and certainly we've had ground truth on this too. Last night we had a flood warning for Nelson and western Albemarle in many locations, picking up 2.5 to over 3.5 inches of rain. Wintergreen maybe over 4, so there were pockets of heavy rain last night. You'll notice the general movement of the rain. It's generally from southeast to northwest, and that's because of an easterly flow in the atmosphere. We had a front that came through last night that knocked the temperatures down, shifted the winds out of the east, and now we're kind of stuck with these cloudy conditions and again ongoing rain. You can see some lighter rain showers through Fluvanna. We get back into areas in southern Albemarle from Blenheim down towards Schuyler and Nelson County, and this is headed out toward Livingston and points farther north and west. So periods of rain tonight, temperatures in the mid and low 60s. Certainly some areas of fog to contend with as well. Tomorrow we may not see as much shower coverage, but we're still going to deal with mostly cloudy skies, low and mid 70s, plenty humid. It looks like as we move into later Friday and Saturday, we could potentially have a period of more widespread and maybe some locally heavy rain, and that is something that we'll continue to monitor. The European model is more robust in showing an additional maybe 1 to 2+ inches during that time. The American GFS model holds most of that heavier rain, not as much, but still heavier off to our west. So this is the setup. We had a front that came through last night, stalled to our south. Easterly winds. We have an area of low pressure back here across Arkansas, upper level low, and east of that center of circulation, that's where we have the moisture that's fanning out across portions of the southeast into the mid-Atlantic. This upper level low will continue to lift up through the Ohio Valley, but the whole thing eventually has to push east, so we will continue to see that rainy setup. So periods of rain tonight, temperatures pretty much in the mid and low 60s. That's where we'll begin tomorrow morning. Maybe the coverage of showers a little less tomorrow, plenty warm and humid, lower 70s, and then we get into Friday, some showers at times, but it'll be late Friday into Saturday that we could have a push of potentially some heavier rain back in across the region. Tonight, mid to lower 60s, areas of fog and periods of rain. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, not a whole lot of change the next couple of days. Temperatures generally in the lower 70s. We'll still continue to watch the progress of the weekend. Saturday could be a little wetter than Sunday, but improving conditions next week and temperatures warming back up.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.